Shock and disgust, truthfully.
That's the reaction from the union representing the latest group of healthcare workers to face cuts in the province on the heels of the most serious healthcare crisis in decades.
The very people that they're rolling back are the very people that have been holding the healthcare system together this last 16 months.
Health Minister Taylor Braat responded during an unrelated announcement Friday morning.
AHS has done an amazing job for a year and a half, and they continue to do it to make sure that people are going to get the care that they need. Sometimes that means making dynamic decisions and responding to pressures.
And it comes as doctors say ER beds are having to be shut down due to shortages in staff that are needed to work them.
There are 18 closed beds in the emergency department that I work in.
ER doctor Shazma Mathani works at the Royal Alexandra Hospital in Edmonton. She says staff are mentally and emotionally exhausted, and it's starting to become evident in hospital staffing.
And it was just so surprising, so shocking to hear it that I felt that I needed to get the word out there so that the Albertans understand that the dire straits that we're in right now in lots of emergency departments and hospitals across the province because of staffing shortages.
The primary concern is to make sure that everybody who needs critical care is going to get critical care, that the Royal Alex is still open, it's still able to take patients.
The province is proposing a 3% cut to nurses' wages and now a 4% cut to general support services staff. Slade says they're fighting for a standard wage increase for 1 year and a 2.5 increase in the following years.
Nobody's asking for anything outrageous. All they are is asking for is a small increase just to provide cost of living.
During the 2019 provincial election, Kenney promised if elected, his government would keep healthcare spending at the status quo or increase it. The union says to now face cuts during a pandemic is more than a slap in the face.
Having to work extra shifts, they're tired from working with full PPE for 16 months. They're disheartened. It's 0 to -0.
In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.